Picturean?
through
Videohan?
applications. Videos, for instance. The existence of cell new build models having features like computers are the most convenient. The existence of cell phones today does indeed affect the lives of most people. According to eHealth.com, 75% of world's population are mobile phone users. And the biggest part of the percentage are in Peru. Philippines, even called the tech capital country, thus Filipinos, a large number of Filipinos are cell phone users. Let me cite some advantages and disadvantages of life before without cell phones and life today with cell phones. Life before without cell phones advantages, students are more studious, attentive to class, and less to spell words. The disadvantages of life before without cell phones that people cannot communicate their friends and relatives immediately, and they use snail mailing to send their messages to their friends, and there is a possibility that the letters will be lost, and it took days or even months before the receiver received the messages. Life today with cell phones, advantages are easy communication and very updated to the latest news and updates through internet access using Wi-Fi fidelity, or popularly known as Wi-Fi. The disadvantages of life today with cell phones is people use abbreviations through texting, and it will result to misleading grammar, and it will increase the expenses of each individual. Majority people around the globe use cell phones, and I would say that in spite of the disadvantages of cell phones, but it still depends on the user, because whether we like it or not, cell phones today is already accessible. That's all. Thank you.